Hi guys, this is how I clean my sterling silver jewelry. I use dish soap, toothpaste, a soft toothbrush, and a polishing cloth that came with one of my other jewelry sets. Also a bowl of water. I just take a good size amount of the toothpaste, wet my earrings first, then rub in the toothpaste into the earrings. Then I use the toothbrush to scrub. It's not as hard as it looks. It looks harder because the video is sped up. But basically brushing your jewelry is kind of like brushing your teeth. It's soft enough that you don't hurt yourself, but hard enough that you are actually cleaning stuff. So you just keep that in mind. If your jewelry has stones, be careful around them so you don't loosen them up. Now my mom was going to throw out these earrings. She didn't realize it was 925 sterling silver. Sterling silver is called 925 silver because it is 92.5 silver and 7.5 another metal, usually copper. Copper, when exposed to oxygen for a long time, has a patina or tarnishes, as they say, so it has another color. In the case of this, you see it kind of has a yellow color. So it's not that the jewelry is fake. It's just oxidized. It just has a patina. So after I do that, I rinse it out. I rinse out toothpaste and I go in with dish soap. Just same as before, I scrub. If you're not sure if it's sterling silver, check around your jewelry, maybe on the earring stamps, on the bail of the pendant. You should see a 925 stamp somewhere around your jewelry. That's how you know if it's 925 silver. And if it's fine silver, that's 999, that's 99.9% silver. You'll see 999 there. So you just want to make sure you get into everywhere that you didn't get to using the toothpaste with the dish soap. And when you're done, you rinse it off. Then I go in with a tissue paper or a sheet of tissue and just pat it dry. Also use the towel to pat it dry. Next, I go in with the polishing cloth. This particular one is from St. Tracy's. It came with the pendant I bought. So the polishing cloth is impregnated with compounds that help with cleaning tarnish. So you just want to rub it off, and whatever you missed, the polishing cloth could get. If your jewelry is so tarnished you don't know what to do with it, I recommend you take it back to the jeweler you bought it from so you don't cause any damage, especially if it has really expensive stones set in. You also have to clean your jewelry from time to time. You can see on the right hand side what I just cleaned, and on the left hand side what it was before. So your jewelry may not be bad, it may not be fake, you just may not be taking care of it properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't.